Following on from the previous video, I was urging you parents out there to instead of giving your child scope in lots of different topics, sacrifice scope for depth. Teach them nothing but algebra until they are fluent in algebra. Because when you give a child depth, you can really teach them to think, really think, and teach them to manipulate and use their imagination. And with depth, you can ask them meaningful questions, which will then lead on to more curiosity. But if you look at something simple like 50% of whatever, if you teach them something simple like 50% of whatever, or slightly more depth, let's say 25% or whatever, you see here, because it's so shallow, it's so simple, that a child just simply get whatever divided by 2 or times 0.5. There's not much scope for the imagination. Whereas if you give them depth, and teach them a lot, truly understand the concept of percentages, you can ask them a lot more meaningful questions. Like if you have 800 and let's say £50, if you give 10% to charity, or 18% to your best friends, and so on, how much will you have left? You see, you can ask them a lot more intriguing questions. Whereas if you teach them something simple, there's nothing to do but to just mindlessly compute times 0.5 or divided by, or get whatever you've got divided by 2, because it's so shallow. There's no scope for a child to imagine, to use their imagination. What I'm urging you parents out there to do is to give your child depth. Teach them nothing but algebra for the time being. Sacrifice scope. Teach them nothing but algebra for the time being, and then later on we can use algebra to teach other topics. Okay, I will continue in the next video.